fucking shit himself. Fuck. Well, this dude do get himself down there, and now he can't get himself back up.
Yeah, for real.
I mean, decided he didn't want to do it after all.
Yeah. Is that what you want? You just want to be pet?
Where you going?
Can't roll the windows down, room. He's not smart enough.
Just sit. Sit. Sit.
Your head barely fits through that, huh? You can't get out here. It's not a place to get out. You can't go looking for food either.
Must have just really believed he could get to the bottom.
Oh, man, you're gonna make me have to edit so much. He's checking his harness, making sure everything's right. The guy's just sitting there tight, waiting for him to come. Thinking, oh, this asshole's recording me down here, motherfucker.
It's like I saw it. Hold up.
God dang, dude. He's lucky I don't get out and just. He's lucky I don't have that tripod and shit. If they would have had that gamble fucking deal that I want,
Yeah.
oh man. I could sell this to the paper.
For real.
That's what happened in Craig this weekend. Sunday around 2 o'clock, 2:20. What is it, the 2nd
Yeah.
of April?
No, it's the third. I definitely.
Oh, it's
thought.
the 3rd of April.
I thought it was the second too.
That's right. Friday was the 1st. Dang, guys, how long does it take to put a harness on and get down to your rescue? I mean, this video is only 8 minutes long, but I paused it how many times?
Yeah, for real.
We're working on 15, 20 minutes for them to get situated. Luckily, this guy's got a place to actually stand and enjoy the view, I guess.
Wow. If you're stuck on some tiny little corner, that'd be pretty rough.
Wind blowing, fucking nasty. I mean, God, I hope you guys hurry up on this.
Fucking dog, dude.
Yeah.
Like I just want to.
Bandit! Checking his harness again. What do we got? 2 going down, maybe? Maybe. Yeah, I think 2 are going to go down to him. Hope